Hello my friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the video gonna show you how to replace door key cylinder. I replaced this door and I've shown you in previous videos how to take the inside panel off, do some work, and yet I can use the emergency key inside my car, because once you replace the door, the key that you have, it's gonna match the other door, not the new one. So this key, which is, you can use it in case of emergency or in case your battery dead, is not gonna work on this one, because this is a new door for this rebuilt car. So today I'm gonna show you how to take this little fella off, how to replace it with the original one. It's gonna be really easy, simple tools you're gonna need. And always remember, if I can do it, you can do it. So let's get to it. Just get it on the side like that, and from the bottom like that, and then you just need to pull the door like that. I don't have my stand on me, and this should come off like this. Okay, now inside the door, you're gonna see this cover here. Just need to force it in like that. And inside, the very deep inside, there is a star screw, which I'm gonna use my star Allen. And I'm gonna unscrew it until the knob is loose. Okay, you can open it to a certain point. Until you can't rotate anymore. That's mean it's loose. Boom, there you go, it's off. Now I already took the old one, the original one, and the only thing that I need to do now is just to slide it in. Sorry, just like that, and there you go. Tied it back on. It takes a lot of turns. Don't worry about it. You're not losing anything. It is tied now. Okay, let's give it a try. This is my emergency key. It's working fine. Let me lock it. Okay. Oops. And then just unlock it with this. It's unlocked. There you go. And you know the rest. Just put the cap back on and you should be good to go. I hope you like and enjoy the video, and every time you see one of my videos, please support my channel by hitting the bell. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.